or real
Okay.
hardware. So basically, we want to test automatically the software on real phones and figure out when some hardware support breaks before shipping it to end user.
Let's play with this. Nice, cute guy.
So basically,
Hey,
I
folders,
designed a board
download.
that faces the batteries.
Public,
Because you
pictures.
want to have like
Double
a
click,
place where
camera.
many phones always
Back from
connected to
here.
the
Oh,
charging.
so from the bottom.
You don't want to have many batteries always powered because
Documents,
batteries tend
maybe
to
we
catch
have something
fire.
here.
This,
Empty, and for something.
So
Okay, let's press
basically
on.
we remove the battery.
Oh, only the back
guide
button.
phone.
Can I take a picture of this? Thank you.
Okay.
Just keep talking.
Basically, we provide the phone with the
apps,
power supply
settings.
4.3 volts, so the voltage of a charged up battery, and 5 amps. And so the phone
Oh, selected.
runs fine, but we don't have any battery.
Okay.
Apart from this, we are doing a
Contacts.
pass-through of the USB connection of the phone to
Back.
the host PC.
Power.
And then we have we are
System.
connecting the UI,
Details.
so the serial port of the phone.
It's a little bit laggy, or I don't press very good because it's hard to stare into another phone while I'm using the other.
Completely
Okay.
can be operated remotely. So you can test software and automatically get the result.
Is this for your continuous integration or something?
Right.
Okay. Nice.
Basically, we are able to register a phone like this as a CI runner. So
closing
directly,
apps.
whenever you push an apps request or you push some commits, it triggers the job and tests on real phone.
And get to work.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, that's
Yeah,
It
it's
doesn't
laggy.
complain and doesn't sweat.
exactly.
But
This is what we
nice.
use machines for.
Yeah.
That's why they make way better service. Okay, very nice.
Calendar.
This is the populated board. This is unpopulated.
Yeah.
Is this a? It's also open source hardware.
Yes.
Okay.
No, we don't have we didn't do the paperwork yet, but it's already open source license. So eventually we'll get also the
Okay.
certification.
Okay, so you will get like CE and things. So what's
No, the
OS3
open source,
certification. So you get the logo. Okay, nice. Very cool. I like your devices. I was just talking to the Waydroid.
Didn't you try it from them?
What?
The Waydroid
I
guy.
tried that.